What is up, fam? Host message finds you all well and in great spirits. We are here in Las Vegas, Nevada for SEMA 2021. What we're going to do first is going to showcase to you some cool models, some cool new concepts. What we have is all new Shelby Mach-E Mustang GT Performance. We're going to showcase to you and talk to the president of Shelby, what went into it, performance, all that good stuff.
Make a difference. And we
think
it
looks like a snake. It looks so much like a snake right
now. And I'm
now.
glad you think that.
Giveaway number 10 is now live. Click the link or go to stangmode.com for your chance to win this beautiful Cobra Mustang.
And this video is brought to you by Stangmode.com, where we're giving away a 2004 stock SVT Cobra Mustang. Hurry, ends soon on Cyber Monday. So go now, Stangmode.com, grab some merch like a hat like this, and to win $1 entry. All right, let's head over. See the Shelby. Out here, SEMA, Ford. I'm gonna have a lot of content for you. Look at this beast. Whew. Now that's a Mustang. Guys, we're taking the Tesla tunnel, the loop. So, all right. This is cool. So it's just underground? You just drive underground?
Oh, yes, sir.
All right.
It's never a boring moment down here.
And just like that, we're back on the surface.
That was quick and nice. It's very convenient.
This is like a good housekeeping seal of approval. It's like the Better Business Bureau. When you get a product from SEMA, you know you got something, especially in California, where they just kill you with CARB and all the other regulations. If you got a SEMA product, it's been approved.
Guys, this is the Foose experience. Foose wheels. You guys seen them on TV, Discovery. We're here with Beltway Mustangs. Is here representing Stang Magazine. But let's take a look at some of these sweet rides. These are all designed by Foose, like custom. Jaguar.
I love this blue.
Yo, this is actually the jam.
I love this blue.
Jeez. You kidding me? Yeah, this is gorgeous. You know, start having on the site. Like our stuff sucks. All right, we're here at the Ford booth. So we got a crazy Mach-E with ground effects from Archetype. So this right here is pretty cool. This is a 68 Pegasus project. It's got a 427 with a 5-speed. Whew. Nice. How about this for extreme? Mach-E.
I like this.
This is crazy. Here we go. Here, something more extreme. This is a high performance. This is cool here too. Nice car. Okay, how you doing, sir? We're here
Outstanding.
with
Gary
Gary Patterson. We're here from the Stangmode YouTube channel, sir.
Yeah.
And this is your concept for the
Right.
Mach-E GT.
Correct.
Looks great.
Thanks.
So obviously, a lot of the Mustang faithful are saying, okay, listen, I'm not really into the GT Mach-E thing.
Got it.
How, and talk about how Shelby came on to having this concept and what it means for Shelby America and all that good stuff.
All right, so you know what? It's a great question to have.
Sure.
Because like you, okay, like Anastasia, right? Anastasia, we are Mustang people.
Sure.
You know, Vince and I, we're performance people. We're car people. You know, I still got the '69 Cobra Jet Mach 1 I had in high school.
Sure.
You know, we've got a '68 Shelby. I mean, you know, I love the ice thing. You know, to me, a hybrid was the car burns gas and rubber.
Yeah.
That all being said, you know, Carroll Shelby in one of his last interviews in 2011, he knew about electric.
Oh, wow.
It
Okay.
was way, way ahead of time, but he said, you know what? I wish I could be around to see what you guys are going to do with electric, with hydrogen, with all kinds of stuff.
Sure.
We even had a Cobra that ran on hydrogen that I drove in
Wow.
2003. So Carroll was all about innovation and trying new things and so forth. So, you know, we said, okay, this is the platform that we're going to play with.
Sure.
What can we do with this car to make it what we view as a Shelby Mustang?
Yeah.
So
Let's go up to the front
if you
here.
go here, and I know you talked to Vince, okay?
Yeah.
Vince really did a great job designing this.
Okay.
But it was input from, you know, numerous people within our shop and so forth when it came time to design this car. If you look at it, you see a lot of stuff with like a Daytona coupe.
Sure.
It has the air end comes in through the nose, goes out through the hood. Keeps the front end down, very aerodynamic.
Oh, yes, yes.
You know, prevents the lift at high speed.
Got it.
Gives you a lot of cooling. And you say, well,
Yes.
you know, what's going on with that, right? Well, it's still got a radiator in it.
Absolutely.
It's got a
Yeah.
radiator to keep the batteries cool.
Yeah.
And the cabling and the buses and all kinds of stuff that you need cool. We need to have an airflow. We needed a radiator. We need to exit the air. So now it does all this. So this isn't just pretty face.
Yeah,
It's
that's-
also very functional.
It's not just a body kit. I think what
No.
Mitch was saying that there's also performance in it because you're looking at cooling because we know batteries get hot. That's
Right.
the thing. And there's also some lightweight springs you're developing for this.
We
or?
got lightweight springs. This is just not on this, but you know, we are working right now on powertrain.
Got it.
So we're going to work on powertrain. This car was literally, you know, it's graphene infused carbon fiber.
Wow.
So it's also very lightweight composite materials. So this body, so if you look at this is that carbon infused fiber. This
Yeah. Oh,
is
wow.
the same material.
Okay.
So is this as this. Same with the fenders. It's all made of this. It's just painted.
Understood.
Okay? So the cool thing is you're seeing that and you're able to see that, and it's exciting because it's light, it's strong, it's all kinds of stuff. And Carroll was always about innovation and doing things cool. So that's what this car is. And then we're going to get into the springs
Sure.
and the Magneride and programming and things
So
like
this
that.
won't just be a concept. Will we eventually see this from Shelby America?
Yeah, but
in
it's,
time.
it's a concept now
Got it.
because we're not through with the design yet.
Understood.
But we wanted to get people's thoughts and
Got it.
input
Yeah.
here.
Well,
And
I'll
what
tell you
we're
right now,
seeing-
I love it.
Well, I'm glad you really like
It's
it because
I'm real too.
you know
I
we're
do
not
love it.
we're not about stickers and scoops.
Sure.
We want to do something that's really clear, that is very very functional,
Yeah.
and it's going to make a difference. And we
Oh, it
think
looks
that we've
like a
done.
snake. It looks so much like a snake
Hey,
right
and
now.
I'm glad you think that because
I-
it's got a nice, really good look.
Well, I saw the forum pic on the side. I didn't get
Yeah.
a chance to see it from the front, but this looks like it's attacking you. I even would love to put this face show on a coupe to see if they
Right.
had electric coupe. It would look so good, but it screams Shelby.
Yeah.
It screams snake, and I think it's going to be pretty exciting. So I appreciate you breaking it down for us and kind of giving Shelby's perspective on the new world of electric motors and their perspective. And we're excited. Thank you so much.
I'm glad. I'm glad.
All right,
you're
we're
excited.
here with Gary.
All right.
We're going to
All right,
say
man.
so long.
Take care.
Check out Shelby America and their awesome new, I'm going to say this 3 times fast, Shelby Mustang Mach-E GT Performance. I got it. All right, guys, please support.
Pretty good.
Because you know it never ends.
All right, awesome.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate
Thank you.
it.